Hey, you guys. Okay, so on this quick video, I'm going to be talking about logos and teaching you guys how to create your own logo. Like, you literally don't have to pay anybody to create a logo for you. On this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to create your own logos. Okay, so let's go on over here to Taylor Brands. So if you click the link in the description, it will take you to this page here. It's called Taylor Brands. I love this site because I've been playing around with it the last couple of weeks, and it is super easy to create a logo. And I'm going to show you guys right here. So let's say the name of your company is Tenacity Clean. Right? So you'll put the name of your company here. You'll add a tagline. I'll just make up one. We clean, you relax. It's easy, simple. And then you will just press next. All right, right here is asking, what are you offering? Okay, is it a physical goods, services, hospitality, original content, technology, software, or other? Okay, so right here, I'm just going to put services and then click next. Right here is talking about your industry. Enter your industry. So I'm just going to type cleaning. It said cereal. Cleaning company. Right? And then it says, by telling us more about what you do, we can better design. We can create better designs for you. And I'm just going to type, I'm a cleaning company. Okay. Press next. And right here, it says icon based. So do you want a logo that has an icon on it, like Papa Pizza right here? Or do you want a name based logo that just has the name? I'm going to choose the icon based logo. Okay. Now choose your icon. Search for icon. And we can type in cleaning. And then you got all of these little icons that pop up for cleaning. Okay. All these little icons. So I'm just going to choose, I'll choose this one. And then I'll choose that one. And then I'll choose this one. It gives you an option to choose a couple of ones that you like. Some of these look a little generic. Let me choose this one here. And I'll choose this one. And then next. Now you choose the style that you like, okay? So, let's choose 3 styles. I'm going to choose the classy. I'm going to choose, should I choose retro? Delicate. And I'm going to choose the texture style. Go on to next. And voila, it starts to create you a logo. Not only is it going to create you a logo, but it's going to create a couple of logos for you to choose from. Okay. So let's get this out the way here. Now, voila. See all the beautiful logos on the side that it created for me? Wow. Simple, easy. I'm a fan of easy. Okay. You can change the colors. You can customize it. Hold on. Customize your logo. And you can change the icon, you can change the color, you can change the layout. But it's really simple way to make your own logos. Stop paying people for your logos and learn how to create your own logos with Tailor Brands, okay? Once you get finished tweaking your logo, then just hit the finish button. And right here it says review your design. Okay, you can either review it, hey, I like it, or you can say, nah, I don't like that. Keep editing right here. But if you're finished with it, you'll click finish. Okay. And now your wonderful logo is complete. Okay. So it goes inside of your logo file. See, download files here. And you can upgrade your site here. And here are all the prices. So $3.99 a month. You got $6.99 a month. You got $11.99 and $30 a month. Okay, depending on what you want. So not only does Tailor Brand do logos, you can also create a website, create business cards. It does your domain name and also your business email. So there are tons of things that you can do with this site, not just logos, but it's super cheap. And like the best thing I like about it is, you can actually like go on Fiverr and do people's logos for them by using this site. It's really simple, really easy. I'm a fan of simple. Okay. So click the link down below. If you guys are interested in creating your own logo, get started with that business today and create a logo. Let's have some fun. Use Tailor Brands. Okay. All right. That's all I got for this video, you guys. Until next time, I'm out of here.